Hello guys, welcome to Moneyline Tips. In today's video we have a 2 hours for you on our 2 hours series. This is day 4 and I want to say congratulations to everyone that won yesterday game. Okay, moving on. Our first game today is in England League One. While this site load, you can use this opportunity to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel if you are new. Turn on the notifications so that you're the first to know when we drop new content. In this channel we have a paid service where we get you 5 to 20 hours on daily basis. So if you are interested on a premium service, you can chat me up on WhatsApp. I will leave the WhatsApp link in the comment section. And also we have a Telegram channel for all our subscribers. So if you want to join our Telegram channel, the link is in the comment section. Okay, moving on. Our first game today is in England League One. As you know, football season is about to start and some of the league has already started today, being Saturday the 5th of August 2023. So this is England League One is on the way already. So by next week we have more games, and then that means that we also have more options to win. Okay, our first game today is in England Division 1 or League 1 where Barnsley is taking on Port Vale, and our prediction is over 1.5 goals at full time. Then we move on to our second game on our list, being a game between Bolton Wanderers versus Lincoln City, and our prediction is over 1.5 goals at full time. Then we move on to our third game to make up our 2 odds, and the game is in Scotland Division 1 or Scotland League 1. A game in Scotland League 1, a game between Queen of South versus Allo Athletics, and our prediction is over 1.5 goals. So these three games will give you a total of 2.3 odds, and then when you combine them together, okay, this is the booking code for this game for those people using Sportybet. This game is available on all bookies around the world, so there's no excuse that I did not see it in my bookie. It's a popular league. Okay, the booking code for Sportybet user is 21056B 586. I read again, 21056B 586. Total of 3 matches, giving us a combined 2.3 odds. Okay guys, that is all I have for you today. I'll see you tomorrow on our next video. Thanks.